Question number 12 from Standard 4. Analysts who undertake an independent consulting practice while employed must get permission from their employer and should disclose all of the following except. So we know that as per Standard 4A, loyalty to employer, one can start the independent practice. There is no problem in starting your own business when you are employed at one of the firm. It's not a violation of the standard. Now, few things are important when it is about the independent practice. If the compensation is involved in your independent practice, whether it is monetary compensation or non-monetary compensation, written permission from the employer is required. Yes. Also, like when you take that written permission, few things needs to be disclosed with your employer, and what are those things? इसके बारे में ये क्वेश्चन है. So let's look at the options. Options are A, the anticipated duration of the service to be rendered. मतलब आप जो भी इंडिपेंडेंट प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हो वो कितने टाइम के लिए करने वाले हो, लाइक 3 मंथ्स के लिए करने वाले हो, 3 years के लिए करने वाले हो, दैट शुड बी mentioned while taking the permission from the employer. So A is ruled out because हमें पूछा है एक्सेप्ट वाला थिंग, क्या डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना है. सो हमें ये डिस्क्लोज करना है ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द सर्विस, द क्लाइंट्स कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इज द करेक्ट आंसर, बिकॉज ये एक्सेप्ट में आएगा, ये चीज डिस्क्लोज करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सो बेसिकली वॉट एवर इज द क्लाइंट्स इंफॉर्मेशन, वी नेवर शेयर्स द क्लाइंट्स इंफॉर्मेशन. सो when you take the permission from the employer, three things needs to be disclosed. One is the type of the service, like क्या exactly service है, is it a portfolio management service or is it a tax filing service or anything else. So वो क्या type of the service है वो आपको disclose करना है. Secondly, for what duration you are going to do that independent practice. And thirdly, whether the compensation is involved, it is monetary, non-monetary compensation का क्या है. These three things needs to be disclosed while taking the permission. So option C में दिया है the compensation or the benefit to be received. Yes, the compensation is monetary है, non-monetary है. So A and C are ruled out because these things needs to be disclosed. And हमें question में पूछा है while taking the permission from the employer should disclose all of the things except. So except is B. So the answer for this one is B.